So in the case of Negros Occidental, the impacts of prolonged drought, extreme rainfall, has affected productivity, the quality of yield, and at the same time, the opportunity to maximize production by the farmers.
Tapos pag palaging umulan, ng tao hindi naman masyadong makatanim ng gulay. Okay lang sa palay, pero sa ibang pananim gaya ng tubo, mais, at saka iba't ibang gulay, maapektuhan talaga.
One of the approach is really to help the farmers integrate climate-smart agriculture in their production planning. By sharing this kind of information to farmers, they improve their decision-making and at the same time, other production planning in order to better adapt to the impacts of climate change. One of the very important approaches in climate-smart agriculture is the crop diversification.
Ito po kasing intercropping, makakatulong po kasi ito kasi hindi naman ho palaging tubo lang yung tanim mo. Yung tubo kasi 10 months or 12 months or 8 months mo maaani. Kasi pag may intercropping, 3 months makakuha ka na ng munggo or 3 months may mais ka nang makakain. Tapos yung kita mo sa intercropping, magamit mo pa sa ibang mga pananim mo naman.